What is up, guys? So a few things happened since I posted the last video. Mark, I believe, currently is editing one that should be posted soon, which is about our work on the Impreza that we did. We did some exhaust work, we did a whole bunch of stuff on it, like ground wires and a whole bunch of other things. You'll see in the other video. Sorry, I was a bit sick, so my voice is horrible, but the reason for the video today is we got mail. So I'll show you guys what this is. We got some headlights. So, oh cool, they actually come with the T10 bulb, so we'll see if that fits. I doubt it. So these are, I believe, they're 8,000K, so they're blue. I don't know if I ordered 8,000. I thought it was 6,000, but anyway, so this is going to be blue. So the 1005, I believe, are the regular headlights. And then we got, yeah, these are the other ones. So these are 5500K warm white. So these are the H11, which I believe are the high beam bulbs, which we're also going to install today. And lastly, what do we got? So I got some feedback that apparently the shift knob that I currently have looks horrible. So just because of that, I decided to buy another stupid shift knob. So I decided to buy a new one. Looks like this. Doesn't look too bad. It was like 15 bucks. So hopefully it's gonna be better than the other one. Ooh, fancy. They have a nice box, actually. A very nice box. So what does this look like? If we open it up, these are the H11s. Ooh, nice little thank you card. And the H11 bulbs, so look like regular bulbs, but quite well protected, to be honest. So they come from DZG. So yeah, quite cool, quite nice. As for the other ones, as I showed earlier, they just come in a regular pack, well protected as well. So I'm quite happy with that. I didn't know I was recording, so let's set these up. We'll be putting them on the Impreza. I will show you guys how to install them. Most of you guys probably know how to install headlight bulbs. If you don't, it's going to be a good video. And I will also show you, once it's darker outside, what the lights look like. I'm not going to show you before and after because it's not dark enough as it is right now, and I don't want to install them when it's dark outside. But ultimately, the way that they look right now is they're quite yellow. Actually, you know what? I'll show you guys. This is what the lights currently look like. So they are, as you can see, slightly yellow. Well, not slightly, they are yellow. This is where the bulbs are located. Quite easy access. We'll be pulling them and changing them. To pull the first bulb, the task is quite easy. You just have to rotate. I'll show you. So to pull the first bulb out, all you do is you grab it, you rotate it, see how it goes towards the left, and you pull it out of the socket. There you go, and you can unclip it. There's a brown clip, and replace it with a new one. Important with these bulbs, a lot of people, what they do is they make a mistake, they touch the bulb, and the bulb is ruined. You cannot have any grease on it. So if ever you do by mistake touch it, make sure that you clean it properly with the dry cloth. So that your fingerprints are not on it. But anyways, try not to touch it. That's probably the best solution. Evo Performance. So as I said earlier, do not touch the bulb. Do not make that mistake. Go slowly so that you don't have to clean it afterwards. should not be touching it. Make sure the bulb is properly clipped in and put it back into the slot. So that's exactly what you do on both sides. I'll do the other side, and then I'll come on back on this side and do the low beam, because this was the high beam. Perfect, so that is done. Now let's do the other ones. So the other ones have a little protector that are like this. So as you can see, it was here. So you just basically unscrew it, it unclips it, and what that does is, as you can see, I'm not sure if you guys can see properly, but right here it protects the other headlight bulb. So same thing, I'll screw it, unscrew it counterclockwise and pull it out. And as I pull it out, as you can see, this is the bulb. So it has a snap. You unsnap it, pin the new one, put it back in, put your protector back into place, and you should be all good. It's gonna set it up, and I just realized something that this company did that is extremely smart. So as I said, very well packaged for this DZG brand that I've never heard of. When you open it up, the headlights are actually packed in styrofoam like that. So you know, you can play around with the clip, try to clip it into place before you even remove it, so you don't touch it with your fingers. So I like this. So on the driver's side compared to the passenger side, things are a bit more complicated because there is the battery that's in the way, and if it's not the battery that's in the way, it's the windshield washer container. So I'll show you what I mean. Windshield washer container and your battery that is bolted on, and you have to replace the bulb that is in this. So there is no place for hands. So I guess what I'll do is I'll unscrew the battery, pull it out. That way I won't screw up the bulb. I'm not going to touch the bulb. I'll be back. I'm back. Battery has been removed. Here it is on the ground, and now I have some space to rotate this counterclockwise. There you go, unclip, pull it out, it is done. Next thing, counterclockwise for the bulb. Bulb is removed, and I will change it. While I'm waiting for it to be dark outside, I didn't record us putting up the car shelter for the Prelude. So thanks to my girlfriend's brothers that were here this past weekend, they did 90% of the job without me being there. Well, this is it. Yep, that is the car shelter. It is, I believe, 16 by 12, and the car is sitting on a tarp so that the humidity doesn't come back up. And yeah, so this is where she's going to be sleeping during the winter. Yeah, not done yet. I'll probably be jacking it up to have some space to work on it. I have a small oil leak that I'll have to check. Oh, neighbor's dog. Hello. Anyways, yeah, so while I'm waiting for it to be dark outside, I thought I would show you guys what we did with the car shelter. Mark's currently working on editing a video for the to show what we did with the exhaust system on the Impreza, but I'll start it up and I'll show you guys actually what it sounds like. Now I hope I have this properly set up with the right size of thread, because I'll be unscrewing this and hopefully just replacing it with the new one. So finally people will stop saying that the ball is ugly. And no, see, that's what I thought. It does not fit. So I will have to put one of these adapters on. Not sure which one's going to fit the best. So I have 3. Yep, I have 3. This one. This one definitely does not fit. This one I would have to, oh, lost it. Oh well. It'll have to be this one. Yep, I think this one's gonna fit just right. And it will be tight enough in a second. It won't move at all. Well, hopefully it's not gonna move. There you go. First gear, second, third. Yeah. And this I could probably somehow clip it up, but this compared to that, yeah, I like this. I'm going in for a bit and I will be back outside in about an hour once it's going to be dark. Try the headlights. It is getting dark outside. I don't know if you guys can see me on the camera. Probably not, but we'll start up the car. So this is it, guys. That's the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. We did some work on the headlights today, show you guys how to change the bulb, the shift knob as well. So quick little short video. I didn't know if I should film this or not, but might as well. It's quite important for people to actually come on the channel, watch the videos, and put at the very least a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It gives us a good opportunity to actually improve some of our content. So if you're not liking it, put a thumbs down. If you are liking it, put a thumbs up. That way next time we know what we're getting into, we know if ever we need to improve, or we know if ever we should keep the content the same. Or even leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more.